Hey y'all! So today I'm making a really easy cucumber salad. I know cucumber salads are going viral all over the internet right now. I'm using a mandolin. You don't need to use a mandolin. You can actually just chop up your cucumber with a knife. But if you have a mandolin, use that. Just always be careful about that blade because that thing is really sharp. I was making a salad earlier with this and look at this. Not even pretty. Definitely not girly. So super careful with that blade. I also like using these like mini cucumbers. I think they're called like mini or baby cucumbers. They're a little bit softer. The skin on the outside is a little bit thinner, so it's a little bit easier to eat. American cucumbers are great, but they're just so big. To that we're going to be adding, you know I did that on purpose. You know I did that on purpose.
I was like, God.
No, me driving here, I was like, what can I say about baby cucumbers?
She used to do that a lot. She'd be like, oh, this is
No.
hard. It's so rock hard. I'm like, no one says it like that.
No one says it like that. But then when I hired Sydney, she did the same thing. But when I went and listened back, that's how
Did you see me look
Justine
it?
talks. No, I saw you.
Yeah, I was like,
I saw you.
the big ones hurt. I love yours.
The little ones are great. They're softer. Okay. To that, we're going to be adding some shredded carrots. Obviously, you can use like a mandolin to make these too, but I just like buying the shredded carrots out of the bag because you really only need like 1 carrot's worth. Okay, once we have that, we're going to start adding our seasonings. We're going to be starting with some garlic. This is a garlic puree. You can use chopped garlic if you want, but the puree is just a little bit easier to work with. Just about a tablespoon's worth. And you can use regular peanut butter, but I found this protein peanut butter, so I wanted to give that a shot. I'm gonna take about 2 tablespoons worth of that. Some toasted sesame seeds. The nice thing about salads like this is you can kind of not really stick to an actual measurement. You can just add what you'd like. You can add a little bit of honey, make it a little bit sweet. That. Some roasted peanuts. And this is chili crisp. If you don't have chili crisp near you, or a store near you doesn't carry any of this chili crisp, I found this actually at Walmart. You can just do chopped up red pepper flakes. So 1 spoonful of that. And then our final ingredient, this is MSG. Obviously, if you don't like MSG, you can leave it out, but all of the cucumber salads that I have tried have MSG in there. I'm gonna close this up and shake. It's almost like being at bartender school, but salad school. Okay. Once you have everything mixed together, and this is the kind of salad that actually gets better the longer it stays in the jar. I'm gonna add 1 more ingredient. You can eat it just like this. It tastes like a Thai peanut salad. It's so good. But I'm going to be adding 1 more thing just to make it a little bit more of a meal, and that's some shredded rotisserie chicken. Just put some in here. Clear this off. Put that lid back on. Give it another shake. Okay, and there's your salad. This is really good if you make it like the morning of or the night before. I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a taste test right now, but I promise it'll be better a little bit later on today. Look at that. Looks so good. Peanuts, little sweet, little spicy chicken salad. Oh my goodness, this tastes like you just got it out of a Thai restaurant. It's so good. You better make this.